How to use Credit Karma to find lower insurance rates. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top menu. If you are looking for lower auto insurance rates, click on Auto from the menu and choose Auto Insurance from the drop-down. Credit Karma will guide you through a short questionnaire. You will need to enter basic information such as your zip code, vehicle details, current insurance coverage, and driving history. These details help Credit Karma find insurance offers tailored to your profile. Once you complete the form, you will see a list of insurance providers along with personalized quotes. You can compare different options side by side, including monthly premiums, coverage levels, and available discounts. If you are also interested in home insurance, go to the Home section and click on Get Your Quote to explore available options. Always remember, the quotes are based on the information you provide, so make sure your details are accurate to get the most relevant results. Now you know how to use Credit Karma to find lower insurance rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.